Why was it important to tell this story?
I mean, personally, I think that this is a narrative. This is a true narrative that I think, that I know that some people in the crowd definitely experienced. You know, I'm somebody that respects telling the whole part of a story, the holistic truth, and I think that this was a narrative that I felt and that a lot of people felt that felt like this needed to be shared. Maybe it helps somebody make sense of what happened, or maybe it's just nice to, you know, look and see somebody else articulate what they were feeling. Maybe that helps somebody else describe what they felt.
How about for you, Henry?
You know, I think Zolan and I had something we really wanted to get off our chests. And it took a long time to get to a place where we were comfortable to write something where, you know, it was a long conversation about did we even have the right to try and tell this story. And, you know, eventually we got together and we wrote something and we felt like it felt true. It felt true to us. And that's why we decided to make it.
Zolan, you've said we weren't going into it to try and unravel why he did it. We were going into it to tell a story about the other types of pain that he caused, the collateral damage. What do you mean?
I mean, look, I've stopped, you know, asking the question of why he did it, you know, a while ago. As you said, that's not really the point of this film. But it is a reality. It's a reality that he did it. That is a true thing. It's also a reality that he hurt a lot of people, and I'll never be able, I would never compare myself I'm never going to know how that feels to have a family member there at the finish line. But it's also reality that there were a lot of people that are from this city, this, you know, community, that were from Cambridge and Gelatin and experienced a different type of pain, the pain of losing a friend, you know? And not just losing a friend, but also realizing that your friend did something really horrible that hurt a lot of people, you know, in many different ways. And, you know, that is something you have to carry. And it's, I guess by the different types of pain I talk about, hopefully you saw it here, what it's like to lose a friend, what it's like to come to grips with the fact that somebody that you thought you knew, you didn't really know them, you know. Do you look at other people differently going forward with that? So I think that was kind of what we were trying to tell here.